Okay, so Eric, so you said something on the James Buckley episode that I was listening to right before this, and it was that you referenced like a revolution that's taking place. Um, and I'm curious, like, if you don't mind, if we could just maybe define some terms or compare notes about what we currently see about what's going on, and then, like, I don't know, let's say a problem statement, and then talk about like what we're doing and how we're participating in this revolution that you speak of. Sorry.
Sure. Yeah, absolutely. And thank you for listening. I definitely check my analytics. So I'm glad to see one more bump on there go up. You
All right,
know,
so let's in a sentence, what would you say the problem with how we generate revenue as like sales teams, like what would that sentence, the problem statement be?
um, uh, self-awareness is the lost art.